off-roading. Huh, bud? Good boy. You're gonna stay here, pup. Yeah, but you're gonna have a good time. Yeah, she's a good girl. All right, bud, sit. Stay.
Be safe.
I will. Go. I feel bad leaving Ellie at home, but her and Melanie are gonna have a good time. So hello everyone. Yesterday, Jason and I installed the lift kit on his truck, and today we're gonna go off and kind of test it out a little bit. The intent of today is to find snow. We're going to Fairfax, which is south of Buckley in Washington State. There's some Forest Service roads and some decent elevation where we're hoping to get some snow. So that's the point of today. And I figured I would take Charlie along. So this will be the first off-roading trip for him, kind of get him acclimated to being out there with me and see how he does. And it should be a decent enough area to where he can get out and run around maybe a little bit, and then Jason's bringing his little pup, Flapjack, as well. So it's gonna be a good trip. About to cross my least favorite bridge of all time. So this upper road was supposed to be closed, but this one was not supposed to be closed. So we're gonna turn around and go to Wilkeson because I think we'll get some snow there. You can see snow just ahead of us, so I don't think we're gonna have to go far to find it. I don't know if you can see, but the rain's starting to slowly turn into snow. We definitely got snow on the ground though, so couple hundred more feet of elevation. I'd imagine this is going to be covered. Yeah, it's coming down now. I promise I'll get out of the truck soon, so it's not just this view the entire video. That's a big enough branch to be a Christmas tree. Charlie loves snow.
Oh, what are you doing? Go get him, Flapjack. Get him. Go get him. Go get him.
downhill because it's a little sketch, but I haven't slipped at all, so doing good. It gets even steeper right at the bottom, but it should be fine. So we made it to as high as I was wanting to go. I started to slip a bit. And if we weren't on a road with a pretty steep drop off immediately to one side, probably would have kept going. But there was a lot of risk there, and I felt like I didn't want to push it anymore. Jason was cool with that. I'm not sure if he was feeling it much either. So anyways, we're gonna head back down. We're gonna try and stop off at a few spots, get some video and pictures and stuff like that, and then we'll head out. But this has been fun. It's been a cool trip. What's up, little man? What's up, little man? Good boy. All right, so that was a pretty fun trip. Like I said, the whole point of this trip was to find some snow, which we did. Introduced Charlie to off-roading. It was a little bit of a pain at the beginning of the trip, but he got used to it, and he got out and played a little bit, and he was a good dog for the rest of the trip. He was a good pup. So anyways, I'm really hoping to get off-roading when it's actually nice outside. I think the last couple of videos of me off-roading it's just been appalling weather. But hopefully soon this weather is going to change. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Charlie. Good boy.